Let us start with the next problem. The question is, the link CD of the mechanism shown in the figure is rotating in counterclockwise direction at an angular velocity of 5 radian per second. For the given instance, determine angular velocity of link AB. This question was also asked in December 2018 examinations. So what is given to us? It is given to us that this link CD is rotated with an angular velocity of 5 radian per second. First we have to draw ICRs. You must be observing that there are 3 links associated in this particular diagram. One link is link AB, other link is link BC, and third link is link CD. So as there are 3 links, there will be 3 ICRs. Now let us start with link AB. Link AB is hinged at this point. Okay, that means this is the point of zero velocity. Hence, I will say that this point is an ICR for link AB. Similarly, this link CD is hinged at point D. Hence, I will say that the ICR for link CD is this point D. Hence, I will write I1 as ICR for AB and I2 as ICR for CD. Now, what remains? The remaining part is this one, ICR for link BC, because we can't find out directly what is the point with zero velocity. So I will have to find out ICR. For ICR, what is the logic? The logic is draw perpendicular to the velocities. Now, how will I draw perpendicular to velocities? First, I need to determine what is the direction of velocities at C and D. So if you observe closely that when this link is rotated in counterclockwise direction, this point C will move in this direction. Okay, so I can write that this is velocity of C. And as this C moves downward, this B will come also downward. The point B will shift towards this side. Now what is the criteria? The criteria is draw perpendiculars to the velocities. One perpendicular here, so this is perpendicular to the velocity at C, and one perpendicular here. So this time if you can see that it is perpendicular to the velocity. So this I got by conceptual method. If I go by shortcut method, what I have said you just extend the link which are hinged. So see here, this link is hinged, so I am extending it towards this side, and here this link is hinged. I have extended this link this side. So wherever they meet, that will give you an ICR. So by any method you go, either by shortcut method or by conceptual method, the ICR will be same. So this is my ICR I3. Now what is next step? Next step is simple. What I will write? First I will write link name. So what is my first link? Let us say link AB. What is corresponding ICR to link AB? ICR is I1. Now what are the 2 points on link? The 2 points are A and B. So I will write point A, point B. Next step. For point A, what I will write? I will write equation. VA is equal to 0. Why direct 0? Because I know that this point has velocity 0 because it is a hinge point. So directly, without writing equation, I can write VA is equal to 0. For VB, I will write equation as VB is equal to R I1B. Why I1B? Because ICR is I1 and I want distance from I1 to that particular point. So I will write R I1B multiplied by omega AB, because I am finding out link AB, and RIB value is given to us as 0.15, hence I have substituted it. Be careful while substituting the distance, you always need to take in meters. Now next step is what? We will take another link. Let us say link BC. This is my second link BC. Now what I will do? What is corresponding ICR to BC? Corresponding ICR to BC is I3. Then points on the link are B and C. So I will write point B, point C. Next step, write the equations. Yes, VB is equal to R I3B. Why I have written I3B? Because corresponding ICR is I3 and the point which I am finding out the answer is at B. So I will write I3B multiplied by omega of link, that is omega BC. Similarly for point C, what I will write? I will write equation VC is equal to, you can see I3C. Distance from I3 to C, and again omega will be BC. Third link. What is our third link? Third link is CD. Corresponding ICR is I2. So I have written link CD corresponding to ICR I2. Now next step. What are the 2 points? 2 points are C and D. So I will write point C, point D. But now you can observe here, point D is itself a hinge point. Hence I can write directly VD is equal to 0. But for VC I can write, for VC I will write VC is equal to RI2C. Now see here, why I2C? Because I am considering link CD with ICR I2. So it will be I2 to the particular point C multiplied by omega CD. And for point D I will directly write 0. After writing all this, what is our next step? Our next step is to find out distances, that is RI3B and RI3C and also RI2C. All the distances we need to find out. But you can see that this distance is already given to us and this omega CD is also given to us in the question. You can see here CD is given to us as 100 mm, that is 0.1, and omega CD was also given to us in the question as 5 radian per second. So I will just substitute that because I know both the values, and I will get the answer for VC as 0.5 meter per second. This is one of the answer required. Then next step. What is next step? Next step is to find out I3B and I3C. So I will consider this triangle, this entire triangle, I3C and B, I3CB triangle. Now in this triangle, in this entire triangle, this length is given to me as 200 mm. That means one length is given, one side of the triangle is given. Now can I find 3 angles of this triangle by geometry? Let us try that. One angle is already given to us as 60. Now if you can see here, this angle is given to us as 45 and this is making an alternate pair here at this particular point. Hence I can say this angle is also 45 degree angles forming linear pair. Now in this triangle, this angle is 60, which was already given to us. This we have found out as 45. So sum of all the angles of triangle should be 180. Hence I will get this angle as 75 degrees, because the total of 60 and 45 gives you 105 and 180 minus 105 gives you 75. Now you can see every angle of this triangle is known to me. One of the side is known to me. Next step is what? Apply sine rule. That's it. So apply sine rule, put the values I3B as 0.273 meters and I3C as 0.245 meters. That's it. We have found out the answers for lengths. Now what I will do, I will substitute these values at the respective places. So VC we have already found from here. VC is equal to 0.5. So I have substituted it here. 0.245 we got from here, and this will be omega BC. So I will get omega BC as 2.04 radian per second. Now this omega BC, where I will substitute it here. Also we know the value of our I3B. So substituting both the values, I will get answer for VB as 0.557 meter per second. So we got the answer for VB as 0.557 meter per second. Now what I will do, I will substitute this value of VB which we got in this particular equation. So VB we got as 0.557. This was already known to us. So what I will get answer for omega AB. So on substituting, I will get answer for omega AB as 1.82 radian per second. This completes the problem. So hope you have understood this problem. So what I have done here, nothing new. I have followed the same procedure which we were following in the previous problems. What I have done, just repeat the steps with me. First is find ICR. Step 2, write the name of the link. Step 3, write the ICR corresponding to that link. Step 4, write the points on the link. Step 5, write the velocity equations. Step 6, find the distances by using sine rule or cosine rule. Step 7, substitute the values of length in the equations, get the final answer. That's it, over. This completes the problem. So hope you have understood this problem. So what I have done here, nothing new. I have followed the same procedure which we were following in the previous problems. What I have done, just repeat the steps with me. First is find ICR. Step 2, write the name of the link. Step 3, write the ICR corresponding to that link. Step 4, write the points on the link. Step 5, write the velocity equations. Step 6, find the distances by using sine rule or cosine rule. Step 7, substitute the values of length in the equations, get the final answer. That's it, over. So hope you are now confident enough to solve any problem in examination.